What's going on, everybody? Three Wheels in a Block, back again, me and the 64 C10 pickup. Today we are going to get this thing up in the air and attempt to get that power plant in the truck. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the time lapse and get this vehicle up in the air. Look at that beautiful oil. Look at it. Oh yeah. That to me looks like a rear main seal. Talk about lame. Almost completely in the truck and it starts doing that. But that's alright. We will pull it out. We will replace the rear main seal so we don't have this problem. I'm just glad it happened now and not after. That's right, not after it was in the truck and running. That would have even been more disheartening. So yeah, we can pull it out and see if we can figure out exactly where that leak is. I have a pretty good idea it's the rear main seal though. Alright, got the motor out on the C10 and we're going to take a look here. That was dripping through the flex plate and it looks like, if I can get the focus up in there, looks like it is dripping out of the rear main seal. And a little drip right there. Yeah, buddy. Yep. That looks like it. We'll be unbolting this puppy and yeah, have to swap that out. It's no good. That's strange. I've never seen one that just started leaking. Just sitting there. Not seen that before. If you have, comment below. So, that concludes for this video. That concludes this video on getting the power plant and Vicky, the 64 C10. I was doing a little bit of adjustment on the door. That's why I got this panel off. So, that's just the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes you have really good success the first time, and sometimes you have to stop and go back and punt. But that's alright. It's just part of wrenching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. There'll be more content coming in the future. Got some really more exciting stuff going on. I know I would say that, but I mean really, really exciting stuff coming. So definitely excited about that. Stuff I've been waiting on for quite some time at this point. So stay tuned. We will see you guys on the next one. Boom.